Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 3 on your PS5 in 2026. So first of all, you need to plug the wireless USB transmitter into your PS5. Then you need to turn on your Stealth 700 Gen 3 headset. It should then connect automatically within just a few seconds. But if it doesn't connect, you can just simply press and hold the pair button on both the headset and the transmitter. Now after doing so, in your PS5 you need to go to the settings and go to the sound and look for the option of audio output. Then you need to select your headset as the output device and you can set output to headphones as all audio. This ensures that both the games and the system audio go through your headset. You can also look for the microphone settings in your PS5. Then you can select your headset as the input device, adjust the mic level so that your voice is clear. Also check that the mic is not muted. So you can try these easy things and you will be able to easily set up your Turtle Beach Stealth 700 Gen 3 on PS5 easily. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.